Welcome to WebStyleBrush. Accent Color is a new CSS property that can style radio buttons, checkboxes, range slider, and progress bar elements of form without any JavaScript. You can style form elements by using only CSS. Accent Color overrides browser's default styles with a custom color value. I am not using any JavaScript, and this is our HTML. I have got three code blocks. Code block with class section 1, with section 2 and section 3. Default form elements look like this: radio buttons, checkboxes, range slider, and progress bar. I will take two more copies of same form elements. Code block with class section 1, this is code block with class section 2, and this is code block with section 3. Here is how we can use accent color for form elements. This is my CSS. For section 1, we will choose green color. For input and progress in section 2, let's choose red color. And for input and progress in section 3, let's choose purple color. This range slider has got hover state too. We can change sizes for these elements by using block size and inline size CSS properties as well. For section 1, section 2 and section 3, let's increase input size. Block size 16px, inline size 18px. This has been applied for input in all three sections. And for progress bar, we will need to use inline size a bit bigger. As you can see, range slider is disturbed now. So for range slider, size for the range slider will be different than the other inputs. Input type range, and we will need to use bigger inline size basically. Save. And these are our new styles for radio buttons, for checkboxes, for range slider, and for progress bar, all by using CSS. Now, if we use black background color for body and use bright accent colors for form elements, then here is the result. Here I have used hot pink color and yellow color and lime color. As you can see, this is pretty amazing. By using only CSS, you can style form elements. No need to use JavaScript. But accent color has got limited support yet. It's still a work in progress and could change when specs become a formal recommendation. Right now, you can use it with Chrome 93 and above, and for Firefox version 92 and above. And for these versions, it is not supported but can be enabled. All you have to do is to use accent color for radio buttons, for checkboxes, for progress, and for range slider. Let us know how do you feel about this new CSS update. Okay, like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.